Hello student, I am Mrs. Harsha Zope from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bhayindar. Today we are going to study practical number 1 from computer graphics. In last video, we have seen a basic program in your practical 1. In that program, we have seen how to draw a line. We have seen how to draw a line using a line function, and we have seen that we have to include one graphics.h header file in your program, and we need to declare two variables gm, gd, and we need to declare two function detect graph and init graph. You have to remember that in every graphics program these things are compulsory. Then next we will see a program. You can see on your window the output provided, the output of the particular arrow. I have written a C program to draw this arrow. Then let's see. To draw this particular image in your computer graphics, first you need to decide how many or what are the required shape you are needed. Here you can see that I need this line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th line and 6th line, and this is your 7th line. To make an image like this arrow, I need 7 lines. First, you should keep it in your mind. Rest the things are same as we have studied in the last program. After deciding which are the required function or which is a required shape, you are needed to draw a particular diagram or a particular image. You have to find out which is a required function to draw the particular image. Then we have finalized that I need 7 lines to draw this arrow, and I need a line function. Okay, how can we draw a line in computer graphics? By using a line function. So I have finalized that I have to use a line function. So here you can see that I have used 4. This is the 5th, this is the 6th, and this is the 7 times line function. And each line function is representing a particular line from your arrow image. Then let's start our program. In last video, I have told you that you have to remember something, that always you need to declare these 3 lines. Hash include stereo.h, then hash include conio.h, and hash include graphics.h. These are the 3 header files. Then inside the void main function, we have to do our task. Then you have to also remember that these 3 lines, that is, you have to declare the integer gm, gd. I have told you gm is for graphics mode, gd is for graphics driver. Then you need to declare this detect graph and init graph function. Syntax is same as in the last program. Detect graph in bracket &gm, &gd, and then init graph in bracket &gm, &gd, in double quote you have to mention path. That is common for every program to draw image in computer graphics. Then next we are writing the line functions which we have decided earlier, and it's 7 lines. So you can see that I have used a line function 7 times. You have to adjust the coordinate according to the line. Then next is a get ch, and at last you have to use close graph. Here we have seen that init graph, it is used to change the textual mode of your system into graphics mode. Okay, and then this close graph, it is used to close your system from graphics mode. You can see this particular output which is displayed on your slide. Then next we will see an algorithm. It's an algorithm to draw this particular image that is shown on your screen. In C, you have studied how to write an algorithm. Here, we'll just take an example to write an algorithm to draw this particular image in computer graphics. Step 1 is start. Step 1 is start. Step 2 is initialize graphics mode, that is GM, and graphics driver, that is GD. Step 3, it is specify path to initialize graphics mode. Still, here in program, what we have did? We have initialized GD, that is we have written int GD, GM, and we have used detect graph and init graph function. Then our step 4 is draw an ellipse using ellipse function. We know that to draw this particular image, we have to find out which are the shapes we required. We need one ellipse, two circles. We need one ellipse, two circle, and two lines. Okay, we have finalized this. Then we just go towards step 4. It's draw an ellipse using ellipse function. And in step 5, we are drawing two circles, that are these two eyes. We are drawing these two eyes, two circles using a circle function. And then in step 6, we are drawing two lines. These lines using line function. And then in step 7, it's a stop. That's all about your algorithm to draw this particular image. Then let's see how to write code for this. We know this. We have to declare the header files stereo.h, conio.h and graphics.h. Then next in void main function. Next is a void main function. This is a simple program which you have written in your C. This is like that program. Syntax is somewhat same. Just somewhat there is a difference. Here you are using inserting one more header file, that is the graphics.h, and then in void main we are declaring GM and GD. Then we are declaring detect graph and init graph. Then next, here we are using ellipse function to draw the face of this particular image. Then here we are using a circle function 2 times to draw two eyes of this particular image. And here we are using two lines function, line function, to draw these two lines. You can see that in to draw an ellipse, we are using the syntax and formulas which we have studied in a previous slide, in a previous video. Our syntax is ellipse in round bracket x comma y, that is the x and y coordinate, comma start angle, comma end angle, comma x radius and y radius. The next we are using the circle function. This circle function, the syntax is circle in bracket x comma y comma radius, means x and y, these are the coordinates of the center of the circle and r is the radius of that particular circle. And then next we are using a line function. To draw line, we know the syntax line in bracket x1 comma y1 comma x2 comma y2, where x1 and y1, these are the coordinates of the particular line, that is the starting coordinates, and x2 and y2, that are the ending coordinates of the particular line. Here we have written two line functions to draw these two lines. Then next we are doing get ch And then next we are closing a graph by using close graph function. And then close the parenthesis which is open for a void main function. Then here we are closing that particular parenthesis. You can see this will be the output for this particular image. Okay. In your mind there might be a question how to write these coordinates to draw the particular image. By practicing somewhat you will get some idea to how to write the coordinates, because for every time it is not possible to remember the coordinates of the particular image. So by practicing or while you are going to do a practical on your system, then it will be clear. You can adjust by yourself where to place that particular image. Okay, then you can see this output on your screen. Then these are some examples which are in your manual. That is, write a C program to display following object. In this way, you can write a C program to display following objects using computer graphics. Thank you for watching this video.